In this video, we're going to show you how to target your sternocleidomastoid muscles just with your hands. Hi, Dr. Jasper here from wizardofhealth.net. A lot of people, when they get trigger points in certain muscles, they may have to use some tools. But with the sternocleidomastoid, you can actually just use your hands, and also we can use what we call the muscle wizard. But let's try with the hands in this video. The reason is that it's very easy to pinch that muscle. This is one of those old muscles that you can actually pinch and really be able to target it and activate those trigger points. So if you're feeling the pain when you're pressing into that muscle, it's recreating the type of pain you're feeling. You want to hold it there for about 30 seconds to a minute, wait for that pain to start subsiding, and then go to another part of that muscle. Another thing you can do is when you press into it, try not to press too hard, just enough where you're getting that referral of pain or that tenderness, and then once it starts going away, then you can apply a little bit extra pressure. If you start going into it and really pressing in hard, you're gonna tense up and that muscle is gonna get bruised the next day and it's not gonna feel good. So we wanna do it as gentle as possible. And now let's see how we can find this muscle. Sternocleidomastoid muscle is on both sides. It helps to flex our neck down this way, but the muscle on this side rotates our neck the other way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate our neck, and you may actually see it pop up. If it doesn't pop up, you apply a little bit of pressure on your head and it'll pop up a little bit more. Now, as soon as I got that muscle, what I can do is I can pinch onto it and hold it. Now, right there is not that bad. I can move up that muscle and right there, and then I can move up. And one of the things is a lot of people, when they do this, they always have their head turned. And what ends up happening is that you're gonna get a little tightness of the muscle. So as soon as you find that muscle and you wanna start getting some trigger points into it, bring your head back to the middle. It relaxes it and allows you to dig in, especially on the inside. It allows those fingers to really hook into that area. And now I got that muscle. Now if I move up a little bit, I got it there. Now if I can't grasp it, I'm gonna turn my head again and find it, bring my head back to the middle, and then pinch it and hold it there. One of the key things about this muscle is it attaches up to the mastoid bone back here, and it goes all the way down and attaches to the sternum. You can't just pinch in the middle. You need to go all the way down to the bottom, pinch it right near that sternum bone, even take 2 fingers and really poke around that area. You may actually find out that this may be the worst trigger point that you have. So you have to hit them all the way from down here, pinching that muscle, going all the way to the top, and then maybe even poking up above here. So the key with this muscle is that the trigger points are gonna be very painful. They're gonna refer all the way across the head. They may be giving you headaches. You're gonna get a lot of weird type of symptoms from a sternocleidomastoid trigger point. But using your hands, you can pinch it or you can go flat. Another thing I always do is if somebody really wants to strip that muscle out, just go flat with your hands, get some cream and it'll go a lot easier. Another thing you can do is you can actually just use the thumb if you can actually stay on it and just kind of come up that muscle and you can strip it out. That only works well if you have some cream on that muscle. So hopefully you guys got a good idea of how to target that trigger point in the sternocleidomastoid and the best way to use your hands to hit that muscle. If you guys need any more information on the sternocleidomastoid or any of the other neck muscles or how to relieve headaches or any other trigger points, go to wizardofhealth.net. We got dozens of videos and articles there to be able to get you out of any pain. And we'll see you guys in the next video.